The day I almost quit. Look, there's been a lot of days I almost quit, really. I've been self-employed now since 1985, so think about how long ago that was. And there's just been a lot of hard times over the years, as I've made a lot of mistakes and developed my skills and all of that. But the one day that really stands out, that I almost quit, I almost gave it up. It was sometime spring of 1991, I believe. We had just the year before that, we had our first seminar, and it was hosted by Russ von Holscher because we were too afraid to do it by ourselves. So Russ did the whole event for us, brought in all the speakers, did all the work, but it was such a transformational experience for us. And having seminars for our clients, it was such a great thing. It was such a positive, motivating thing that we decided to hold a series of seminars on our own now. Just Eileen and myself. And we had 13 of them. They were called the Blue Jeans Millionaire seminars, by the way. And I remember the very first event that we had, the very first day. I didn't have anything prepared. I thought I was just going to go in there and answer questions. That's all I was going to do. And I was going to spend the whole time just going back and forth. So I went in there and I said, okay, guys, give me your questions. I'm here to help you. No questions. I didn't have anything planned. I didn't have anything prepared. And I remember we started maybe like at 9 in the morning or something like that. We took a break after 90 minutes. And it was the worst sort of hell for me personally. And I remember I was walking down the hallway in our building, walking towards the bathroom, and there's a voice inside my head. A very clear voice, a very loud voice. It said, keep walking. Keep walking. Keep walking. Keep walking. Go out the front door, jump in your car, and leave now. It was the most painful experience for me. But I did not listen to that voice. It's called impulse control, by the way. That's the name for it. Impulse control. I went back, got through it, and we've had hundreds of seminars since then. And some of them have also been very difficult to get through. Very, very difficult. But it was such a positive thing. Having events for our clients and letting them come and meet with us and us getting to meet with them. And doing other things that are similar to that have been the foundation for our 30-year success. This is our 30th year now. We started in 1988, so I'm dating this recording. But, just not being afraid of customers and clients, getting face-to-face, eyeball to eyeball, billy to billy. If I had $1,000 right now for every time I've hugged one of my clients, I'd have millions and millions of dollars because I'm a hugger. And, I lost my fear of people. One of the reasons I was so attracted to the direct response marketing business, what we called mail order back then, was so that I liked the idea of getting money from people that I would never have to meet or spend time with. I just love that feeling of power. That just turned me on. There was something romantic about that. And I think a lot of people nowadays are attracted to online businesses for the same reason. They want to make money without any personal involvement. And yet, having seminars, doing different events, getting up close and personal with our clients, meeting with them face to face, hugging them, so to say, and I've hugged many of them. Kissed a few too, by the way. Not on the lips. By getting close to our customers and letting them get close to us, and it's just been a great confidence builder. It's been good for the business. It's been good in more ways than I can even begin to comprehend or communicate to you right now. But the bottom line is, the day I almost quit, there's been a lot of hard days. And one of the things that's kept me going is that the fact that I'm very stubborn and I just don't quit. So I won't let myself quit. Very, very, very stubborn person. But also the fact that I've never been in this business by myself. You know, in the beginning it was Eileen and myself, my wife Eileen and I. We were a team. And Eileen stepped down after 12 years because she has multiple sclerosis, so I took over and stepped up. But I've always been surrounded by a team of people. Good, quality people that I've got a lot invested in them and they've got a lot invested in me. And so it's given me so many reasons to stay in the game, and they've helped me stay in the game, and I've helped them stay in the game. And look, it's just I feel sorry for the solo operators that are out there because it's just too damn easy to quit. If it's just you and you have a series of really bad days or bad months, boom, you're out of there. And because it's very worth staying in the game, working through those difficult periods, developing the knowledge, skills, and abilities that have came along with those difficult times has made all the difference in the world for me. It'll make all the difference in the world for you. So don't give up. Never, 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 never give up. That's a famous speech by Winston Churchill, by the way. That was a college commencement speech that he got up. You know, he was the big star of the show, walks up to the podium, pauses for dramatic effect. Everybody's waiting to hear what he's got to say. And that was his whole speech. And he said it better than that, you know. Never, 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 never give up. And then he paused for a while, sat back down. It's the only speech I've ever memorized word for word. But look, you're going to, in the process of becoming the best you can be, developing your skills and abilities, you're going to have many, many days that are not easy. You got to stay in the game, and after you do develop your skills, it becomes a real mindset thing. From that point forward, it's just mindset. And so I hope something I've said here has helped. I ran into a guy. I was speaking at an event in Baltimore. All these internet marketers, and this guy comes up to me after my speech, and he goes, "Now, you've been in business this is 5 years ago. He goes, "You've been in business for 25 years?" And I go, "Yep." And he goes, "The same market for 25 years?" And I go, "Yep." And he goes, "How in the hell did you do it?" And I really didn't know what to say to him. But I've thought about it, and my answer, I just gave you lots of my answers right here. I just gave it to you. Don't quit. Don't give up. Keep moving forward. And thank you for being one of my clients. If you are one of my clients, if you're not, you want to know more about who I am, what I do, and how I can help you make more money, click on the link below. Thank you. God bless, and bye for now.